Welcome to the HealthyStep Balance Mat maintenance exercises. Exercise. Start by placing both of your feet on the home position. Left to blue 7 and hold. Left to red 1 and hold. Left to yellow 8 and hold. Left to blue 1 and hold. Left to blue 9 and hold. Left to red 2 and hold. Left to red 9 and hold. Left to yellow 12 and hold. Left to blue 8 and hold. Now back to home. Now the right foot. Right to blue 5 and hold. Right to red 11 and hold. Right to yellow 4 and hold. Right to blue 11 and hold. Right to blue 3 and hold. Right to red 10 and hold. Right to red 3 and hold. Right to yellow 12 and hold. Right to blue 4 and hold. Now back to home. You have now completed maintenance exercise 9